We will now create the solid model. First, select Solids, and then select Extrude. Make sure Chain is the selection method, and then select the chain here. Then press OK. Make sure the extrude direction is up. Then enter the distance as 0.5 and press Enter. If the direction is pointing down, click on the reverse button. Press OK and create new operation. Change the selection mode to C-plane. And make sure the selection method is set to chain. Select the first entity here and the second entity here. Then press OK. Make sure the direction is down. Change the operation type to Add Boss. And change the distance to 0.75 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Change the selection mode back to 3D. Then zoom in and select this entity here. At the branch point, select this branch. Then press OK. Change the operation type to Cut Body and change the distance to Through All. Press OK and create new operation. Zoom out and select the chain here. Then press OK. Change the operation type to Add Boss. Make sure the direction is up and set the distance to 0.5 and press Enter. Select Advanced. Enable Draft and set the angle to 3 and press Enter. Change your view to front. If the draft angle is outwards, click on Reverse. Press OK to exit the command. I will now demonstrate how to modify a solid operation that has previously been completed. Select the Solids Manager and expand the solid. Select the Extrude Boss operation and double-click on it. Change the distance to 0.35 and press Enter. Press OK. Then regenerate the operation. Click the arrow next to Draft, and then select Draft Faces. Make sure only Face is enabled. Select this face. Rotate the part so you can see this side, making sure you do not select this face. If you select this face, it will cause a future operation to fail. Select this face, these faces, and then press OK. Rotate the part so you can see the bottom and select this face. Change your view to front. Then zoom out and zoom in on this area. Rotate the part slightly so you can see this angle without it blending into this area. Make sure that the angle is set to 5 degrees. If the angle is outwards like this, click on Reverse. Press OK to exit the command and return your view to isometric. Return to the Home tab. Then click on Change Level. Select the solid and press End Selection. Make sure the operation is set to Move. Disable Use Active Level and change the level number to 2. And change the name to Solid Model. Then press OK. select the Levels Manager and make Level 2 the active level. Then disable visibility for Level 1. Return to the Solids tab. Then select Constant Fillet. Make sure only Edge is selected. Rotate the part and select these edges. Then press OK. Change the radius to 0.375 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Select this edge. Then press OK. Make sure Propagate along tangencies is selected. And change the radius to 0.15 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Rotate the part and zoom in on this area. Select the following edges. Then press OK. Enable mitered corners. And change the radius to 0.4 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Select this edge and press OK. Change the radius to 0.25 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Select this edge and press OK. Change the radius to 0.125 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Change the selection method to Face. Select this face and press OK. Make sure the radius is set to 0.125. Then press OK and create new operation. Make sure only Edge is selected. Then zoom in on this area. Select these edges. When all of the edges have been selected, except for this one, press OK. Change the radius to 0.275 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Rotate the part and select these edges. Then press OK. Change the radius to 0.1875 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command and return your view to isometric. Then save your file. We will now hollow the solid using the Shell command. In the Solids tab, select Shell. Disable Body and enable From Back. And make sure Face is selected. Press Alt-S on your keyboard to unshade the part. Then select this face. Press OK. Make sure Direction 1 is set to 0.1. Press Alt-S to reshade the part. Then rotate it so you can see the bottom. The arrow should be pointing up. If it's not, click on Reverse. Press OK to exit the command. Return to the Solids Manager. Then double-click on Shell. Click on Add Selection. Change your view to isometric. Make sure face is selected and disable from back. Then select this face and press OK. Then press OK to exit the command and regenerate the solid. Return to the Levels Manager and enable visibility for level 1. Select Extrude. Select the first chain here and the second chain here. Then press OK. Change the type to Cut Body. Click on the reverse button if necessary, and set the distance to Through All. Select Advanced and disable Draft if necessary. Press OK and create new operation. Rotate the part. Select this chain here and this chain here. Then press OK. Rotate the part. As you can see, setting it to Through All is cutting the back half. Instead, set the distance to 0.15 and enable both directions. Press OK and create new operation. Then rotate the part and press Alt-S to unshade it. Select the chain here and here. Then press OK. Change the distance to 0.06 and make sure both directions is disabled. Make sure that the arrow is pointing down. Then select Advanced. Enable Draft and set the angle to 45 degrees and press Enter. Then rotate the part and zoom in. Click on Reverse so that the draft angle is outwards. Press OK to exit the command and return your view to isometric. Then reshade the geometry. Disable visibility for level 1. Change your view to top and unshade the part. Then zoom in on this area. Select Constant Fillet and make sure only edge selection is enabled. Drag a window around all of this entity and click. Then press OK. Disable mitered corners and set the radius to 0.0625 and press Enter. Press Alt-S to reshade the geometry. Click on Add Selection. Then select these edges. And press OK. Press OK to exit the command. Change your view to bottom and reshade the geometry. The pockets should appear as shown. Change your view back to isometric. Then zoom in on this area. Select one distance chamfer and make sure only edge is selected. Then unshade the geometry and select these edges. Then press OK. Change the distance to 0.0625 and press enter. And enable propagate along tangencies. Then press OK to exit the command. Return your view to isometric if necessary, reshade the geometry, and save your file.